So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, live at WebManager.NG. In this video I'm going to show you guys is how you can create a subdomain, right? You want to see that. For those of us that have been asking us how you can create a subdomain, so a subdomain is a URL that is sub to your main domain, right? So I'm going to show you guys how you can create a subdomain real quick. So for we to get started, once you are in your web manager account, you come over to your client area, right? Then you click on your service. Then you're going to click just watch my button. I click on that. Then you scroll downward right here, and you're going to see at the left hand side sidebar, you're going to see login to cPanel. Then you click on login to cPanel. So it's going to redirect you to the cPanel right as you've seen it. So right now we are in our cPanel. So the next thing we're going to do right here is you're going to scroll down until you get a domain, or you can come right here to this search bar and type in domain. So once that's been clicked, you're going to see the list of your domains. If you have a lot of domains, that means if you've added on domain to it. But currently I only have just this one domain, which is my main domain, also known as my primary domain. So I'm going to come right here and click on create new domain. So at this point, I'm just going to copy my main domain. Okay, you're going to copy your main domain, and my main domain is this right here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'm going to add what I want to add to it. So I can call this subdomain. Let me enlarge the font so I can put a dot. So subdomain.webmanager.com.ng. So that's my subdomain. In yours, you can say maybe you want to call this CND, right? Or you want to call this EM, right? Or you want to call this trade. It can be anything you want to use. Just have it a name dot your main domain dot com.ng or whatsoever the extension is. So for mine, let me just call this user.webmanager.com.ng, and I'm going to go right here. So you don't have to, okay, in some case this box will be enabled for check, but you're going to leave it. You don't have to check it because it said, do you want to share document root? No, I want my subdomain, my main domain, my add-on domain to be independent. So I'm not going to have this box checked. For yours, if it's enabled, just leave it unchecked. Then come right here and click on submit. So it's going to take a little while, and now we have created our subdomain. So at this point, we can click right here, which is this. You can click this to view your site link. So it says this site can be reached because it's a temporary download move. Okay, it's just that our SSL is getting ready. So if you come back right here, you can click here and it will take you to your file manager, the file manager of this subdomain. So if you click it right here, and it has taken us to our file manager. So under here, we can start our development in this IDE that we are seeing. So if you love what we're doing in this video, and if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you get updated on when we make a fantastic post just as this one. So you're welcome to webmanager.com.ng, the web hosting company that has the most excellent web hosting, and sometimes I call it a bulletproof hosting. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.